how to transfer money from line of credit to checking account Scotiabank. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from line of credit to checking account Scotiabank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Scotiabank app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. First, just scroll down just a little bit. You're going to see borrowing Scotia line of credit. So that's your line of credit. Just tap on it. Now on the top left hand side, you're going to see pay and manage. Just tap on the first one, pay, on the top left hand side. And then once you do that, you should see this. So on the bottom, it's going to say other. Just go into it. So we have to do is select first the second option where it says to Visa. There you will see a drop down. In the first option should be your bank account. So this is my checking account, so I can go on and tap there. Similarly, that way I can now click on from. I'm going to be able to select my line of credit. So once I tap on from, I can go ahead and select my last option where it says my Scotia line of credit. And down here below, you guys are going to see the amount. Just type in the amount that you would like to transfer into your own account. And we're just gonna go ahead and slide to transfer. And your money will be transferred. So that's how you can transfer money from line of credit to checking account Scotiabank. That's all for this video.